everyone, let's quickly revise the different standard objects present in Service Cloud. Okay, so now we will take it with the help of example. Consider that I own a company, say Ghar Set Go, and what it does it sells home appliances, okay, electronics and this all refrigerator, washing machines, AC and everything. Okay, you are my customer. Okay, I am the company, you are my customer. Say it's a B2B. Okay, you are some commercial builder who wants a lot of electronics for their entire building for each of the flats. Okay, the information that I will be storing for your company, because it's a B2B, okay, that will be stored in the account. Okay, then the people with whom I will be in touch to discuss everything, or the person who will be working in your company, are my contacts. I hope we are clear with accounts and contacts. Now, imagine that there is some issue with the electronics. Oh, you are already using them as a B2B. There would be some service contract between both of the parties, between you and me, that what is signed between us, basically it's an agreement between you and me, so we are clear with the service contract. Okay, then comes there is an issue in some electronics or the ACs are not working. So what you want to do is you are raising a case is an inquiry or whatever, basically an issue that the customer raises to get the support from the, from where they have bought anything from our company. They will raise a case, customer will raise a case. Customer, we are clear. Then as an agent, because I am a service representative, I want to, serve that customer whosoever is raising the case. So what I will do is, in the service contracts we have defined the level of agreement. We have defined what they have bought from us, what are the products, what is the quantity, how long we will be servicing them. Okay, then comes the entitlement. Entitlement is the type of support that my customer is eligible for. Okay, if it's a premium customer, they will be getting 24 hours service, 2 hours of response time, whatever. Okay, these are the promises that we make to our customers. This is what we store in entitlements. There comes another object which is milestone. Milestone is basically the time constrained boundaries, because we have an SLA, service level agreement, that in the entitlement it is written that I will, you know give you the support within next 24 hours. I will give you the response time of 2 hours, so somebody from my team has to definitely reach you out regarding the issue. Okay, so milestone is basically to check if this is fulfilled or not. Okay, we are clear with entitlement, service contracts and milestone. Then comes, we were talking about the case. Okay, you have raised a case. What I will do is, because I don't remember everything regarding every issue, right? So what we do is, there is an object knowledge article in which we have all the information related to the, frequently asked questions, related to almost everything that as an agent we should know, or that from which articles we can take the help and get the information from those particular articles, and we can, quickly resolve the issue or any problem that is happening with the customer. It will help us to resolve the case quickly. Okay, then I can do is, we are clear with the knowledge articles, I can attach a knowledge article, share you the steps that you have to perform, or based on what the next steps would be. This is what we call it as case article, basically, when we attach a knowledge article on the case level. Okay, now as we were talking about knowledge articles, there would be, it's a very big company, thousands and thousands of knowledge articles we would have. So there is an option to categorize all of the knowledge articles. Say I want to categorize the knowledge articles related to the AC, related to the refrigerator, related to the washing machine. I can categorize them based on the data category. Okay, we are clear with the data category till now. Then comes the incident management. Basically, in the incident management, what should be you be aware about? What is an incident first? Now imagine that almost all of your ACs are not working, or say your website is down. Okay, So first customer is also saying that the website is down, they're not able to, book the service appointments. Another customer also come in and they are saying that there is the similar issue. When you see similar type of issue that is affecting large number of your customers, an incident manager comes into the picture who creates an incident relating all the cases which are of similar type, so that the IT person can work on that incident. Now, when the IT person will work on that incident, which is related to all those cases, we will attach all the cases in the incident itself. Within there, when there is another object problem where we can, note down that why this occurred. Okay, was it maintenance or what happened? That what is the underlying cause of the incident? Okay, then comes, now you got to know that the slowness is happening, they are not able to book because of a recent deployment that happened last Sunday. Okay, so last Sunday there was some deployment, and we are not good with the deployment, so there is a code change that needs to be done. This type of information that it happened because of this would be stored in the problem, and what changes you have to make, it's a code change or whatever that you have to deploy again, that would be stored in the change request. Once the change request is fulfilled, you can close change request along with the cases, along with the problems, along with the incidents. I hope we are clear with this. Let me know what are all the different standard objects that I have missed in Service Cloud. Thank you so much.